Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 6th class students. Hope you all are getting well and enjoying your holidays. I'm your computer teacher and today we are going to start our unit number 1. First of all, we will recite the dua to increase our knowledge. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. तर्जुमा, ए अल्लाह मेरे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा. Let's start now. Open your computer books. The page number 1 and the topic of unit number 1 is MS Word 2013. MS Word 2013, and in this lesson we are going to read about MS Word, what is MS Word, and some effective features of MS Word, header and footer, table and mail merge feature. And after reading these features of MS Word, we will learn that how can we insert a predefined header or footer in our document, and then we will learn that how can we insert a custom header or footer in our document. The first thing is, what is MS Word, right? The question is, what is MS Word? MS Word is a word processing software. It is an application software. The point number 2 is, it is an application software. The front view of MS Word is shown in picture. As you can see this is the front view of our document MS Word, right? फ्रंट पेज हमारा MS वर्ड का हमेशा इस तरह से ओपन होता है, राइट? MS वर्ड क्या चीज़ है? ये एक वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है और ये एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है, राइट? नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द फंक्शंस ऑफ MS वर्ड. MS वर्ड इज यूज्ड टू टाइप लेटर्स, applications and any other type of content, like as given in the example you can see, right? Any other type of data or content you want to save in your systems, you can type in MS Word, right? This is the function of MS Word. Let's start reading about the MS Word 2013. Microsoft Word offers effective features like inserting a header or footer and creating tables that helps user to present information in a systematic and organized manner. It means that Microsoft Word हमें ऐसे इफ़ेक्टिव फीचर्स प्रोवाइड करता है जिनको अपने डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर इंसर्ट करते हुए हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट को मज़ीद इफ़ेक्टिव और ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, राइट? हेयर दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द हेडर एंड फुटर ऑप्शन. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू डिफाइन व्हाट इज़ header and footer option. The header and footer option is used to display the information at the top or bottom of the document, right? Header and footer option हमारे पास ऐसे फीचर है जिसको अपने डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर इंसर्ट करते हुए हम अपने पेज के सबसे टॉप पे या फिर बॉटम में अपने डॉक्यूमेंट से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं. As you can see this here, it is the example of header. The header is placed at the top of the page as shown in the following picture. You can see this is the header portion of the page or document, right? And the next thing is footer, and footer is placed at the bottom of the page as shown in the following figure. As you can see this, the footer is present at the bottom of the page or document, right? Look here, the header is present at the top of the page and the footer is present at the bottom of the page, right? And the next feature that we are talking about is table, right? What is a table? The tables are consist of rows and columns. Tables rows and columns पे consist करते हैं. And tables are used to store data in sequence. Tables के अंदर हम अपना data तरतीब के साथ 1 by 1 सेव कर सकते हैं, right? It means that tables arrange our text in sequence or arrangement in organized manner, right? And here this is the example of table that we have added in our document, right? हम इस तरह से अपने डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर टेबल्स जो हैं क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, right? Let's start reading now. The next paragraph. It also provides the mail merge feature that lets us create multiple copies of letters with more or less similar text, right? It means कि MS Word के अंदर हमें मेल मर्ज का फीचर भी प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. एंड मेल मर्ज फीचर is used to quickly create multiple copies of letters, emails and other such documents with minor difference. It means कि मेल मर्ज फीचर हमारे पास ऐसा फीचर होता है जिसकी मदद से हम किसी भी लेटर या ईमेल या फिर किसी भी ऐसे डॉक्यूमेंट की बहुत सी कॉपीज़ एक ही टाइम पे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं जिसको हम लिटिल बिट डिफरेंस के साथ बहुत सारे लोगों को एक ही टाइम पे सेंड करना चाहते हैं, राइट? दिस इज़ द मेल मर्ज फीचर. एज यू कैन सी here from the ribbon we will click on the mailings tab, right? And then we will choose the start mail merge option, right? In this way you can insert the mail merge feature in your document. Let's start reading now. The adding a header and footer. The header and footer option allows us to insert text or graphics at the top or bottom of the each page in your document. This option is very useful to insert chapter names, logos or pictures, page numbers, date and time, etc. across all the page. It means that header and footer option जो है ये पेज के सबसे टॉप पे या फिर बॉटम में हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्प्ले करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. एज this information may be in the form of chapter name, author's name or any other picture related to a document or content, and it may also be in the form of page number, date and time. As you can see the example of header, look here, this portion of the page is header portion. You can see this is the picture or graphic added in our document. This one is also picture, or you can consider this as the logo of the unit number 1, right? And here this is the chapter's name mentioned in the header, and the example of the footer is, look at the bottom of the page. here this portion is the footer of the page, and here this is the page number mentioned in the footer with picture, right? This is the footer option. Let us learn how to insert a header and footer in a document. अब हम पढ़ेंगे कि हम किस तरह से अपने डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर हेडर या फुटर ऑप्शन इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. बिफोर गोइंग टू रीड अबाउट द स्टेप्स टू इंसर्ट अ हेडर और फुटर, I just want to ask you to open your systems and to open your MS Word 2013. And student, it is necessary for all of you to have Windows 10 in your systems, and you have to work with Microsoft Word 2013. Let's start reading the steps about inserting a predefined header or footer. Predefined means कि जो पहले से आपके डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर स्टोर किया गया हो, जो आपके डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर डिफ़ाइन किया गया हो, आपको अगेन से उसको डिफ़ाइन करने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड प्रोवाइड्स अ लिस्ट ऑफ प्री डिफाइंड डिज़ाइंस ऑप्शंस फॉर द हेडर एंड फुटर. The steps to insert a predefined header or footer are. It means कि Microsoft Word जो है वो अपने अंदर predefined headers या footer की predefined designs की list provide करता है, और इसके steps के बारे में अब हम पढ़ेंगे. And the step number 1 is click on the insert tab. Insert tab पे हम सबसे पहले जाके click करेंगे. Look here. This is the insert tab at the ribbon of your document, right? You will click on this tab, right? And the step number 2 is click on the header or footer option. In the header and footer group, a gallery of header or footer design appear, right? In next step, you will click on the header or footer option from the header and footer group. As you can see this from the ribbon, you will after clicking on the insert tab, right, you will go to the header and footer group as this portion is shown, right? हेडर एंड फुटर ग्रुप के अंदर जाके आप हेडर या फुटर ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करेंगे, एंड उसके बाद आपके पास प्री डिफाइंड डिज़ाइंस की एक लिस्ट अपीयर होगी, राइट? नोट ऑन योर पेज. द स्टेप नंबर 3, select the header or footer design you want. The outline of the header or footer entry box appears at the top or bottom of the page. The design tab also appears on the ribbon, right? It means कि स्टेप नंबर 3 में आप प्री डिफाइंड डिज़ाइंस की लिस्ट एज इट इज़ शोन इन द फिगर, राइट? यहाँ से आप अपनी मर्ज़ी का कोई भी डिज़ाइन चूज़ करेंगे, उस पर क्लिक करेंगे और उसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे, तो आपके पास हेडर और फुटर की आउटलाइन अपीयर हो जाएगी पेज के ऊपर. प्लस द नेक्स्ट वन थिंग दैट विल बी अपीयर्ड ऑन द स्क्रीन इज़ डिज़ाइन टैब, राइट? आपके डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर डिज़ाइन टैब भी अपीयर हो जाएगी, राइट, ऑन द रिबन. लुक हियर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you have to click on insert tab, and then you will go to the header and footer group and will click on the header option. Here it is the list of predefined designs is appeared, and then you will click on any design. As you can see here, this is the design tab appeared on the screen, this one, right? And here it is the header outline box is appeared on the top of our document, and you can see this. Here this is the footer outline is appeared on the screen, right? Header is at the top of the page and the footer is present on the bottom of the page. Now you will, in step number 4, you will click on the text area, and when you will click on the placeholders or press the delete key, and here I am going to type the name of our unit number 1, and this is MS Word 2013. Right, here I had mentioned the name of our unit number 1, and now I am going to press the enter key. Right, this is the chapter's name I have mentioned in the header, and now we are going to start reading about the step number 5. After adding the header or footer, click the close header and footer option on the design tab or press the escape key. You will click on the escape key from the, as you can see, this is the escape key from the keyboard, or you will click on the close header and footer option from the design tab. Click on it, and now you can see here this is the header mentioned in our document, right? So students, you have to practice for this practical work on your systems, and you have also do the reading practice for this topic. Thank you so much.